Hey guys, welcome back to Texas Mommy. My name is Amanda. If you've never met me before, it is nice to meet you guys. What I go ahead and do is cleaning videos, keto videos, mommy videos, and lifestyle videos, guys. So it's kind of a little bit of everything. So if that is something that you are interested in, make sure that you go ahead and click the subscription button as well as the notification bell right next to it. That way that you will always be notified every time I upload a video. So what I usually do is I actually upload anywhere from 2 to 3 videos a week, just to let you guys know. And like today, for instance, today is of course a cleaning video, as you saw from the title. And if you're not familiar with my Instagram account, I'll leave it right here down below me and also in the description box as well. I actually posted a picture earlier today kind of letting everybody know that I was going to be doing a filming today. So, just to let people know, I also go ahead and post different kinds of pictures up there throughout the day. I usually go on there too and talk to you guys. So if you have not subscribed either to my Instagram, what are you waiting for? Make sure that you go do that before, well, not before, after you watch this video, because I want to make sure you enjoy every little minute of this video and I'm able to motivate you to go clean whatever it is that you need motivation to go clean for, guys. So if you're ready, I know I'm ready, because it is already 9:54 on a Sunday evening. My house is a mess and it definitely needs to be cleaned before I can go to bed tonight. That way tomorrow I don't wake up to a dirty house. So hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so first things first, and that is definitely going to be laundry that you see right here. I kind of got lazy and I waited, so now I think I have about 2 to 3 loads of laundry to do. This is going to definitely take some time, but I'm only going to be making sure that I get them in the washer first. So hopefully I'll stay up long enough to get them in the dryer. You never know. As you see here, guys, we're going to go ahead and move right into the kitchen, and it is a huge mess. So I'm actually cleaning up dinner right now, and then you'll see in a minute everything else I have to get done. It was a hot mess, guys.
Okay, guys, now that we're finally out of the kitchen, we're going to be moving our way over here into the dining room. And as you can see, my table is a mess, usually because there's usually nothing on here except the centerpiece. But my daughter's been sitting here. My dad came by. So I just have like kind of a little, like, I know it's not a lot to most people, but to me, this is a lot because I don't really like to have anything on that table. Because truthfully, the only ones that usually eat there are my kids. So they usually don't leave their stuff out. But I guess today was an exception to that. And now we have hit the time to finally go ahead and sleep our dining room. And next you will see me go ahead and sleep the kitchen as well. I promise we are almost done, guys. This took me way over an hour to get everything clean, but there is still plenty more to show you guys. Okay, guys, I know you've probably never seen my living room this dirty. That's why I'm actually showing y'all, walking through it just to show you how horrible it got. Like I said, it was a Sunday evening. My kids had been here. My dogs, they just, everything was a mess. You'll see, guys. Just, yeah, please, just, yeah, no judging on this. It just happens. Okay, guys, so I'm pretty sure you're like, hey, didn't she finish sweeping? For some reason, my camera cut off. So yes, I promise I did. And I hope I was able to motivate you guys to go ahead and clean whatever it is that you needed motivation to clean. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you are brand new to my channel. I'll see y'all next time. Bye, guys.